Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm going to show you how you can create an account or sign up for Amazon shopping application on your phone. First of all, if you are new to our channel, then do make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and also make sure that you turn on the bell notifications in order to get notified whenever we post a new content or video to our channel. And without any further ado, let us get started. Now the first step you want to make sure is that you have downloaded and installed the Amazon shopping application on your phone. If you have not yet downloaded the Amazon application, then simply open your Google Play Store if you're on your Android, and if you're on your iOS, simply open your App Store. Once you open your respective app stores depending on your device, on the top of the screen you can see the search box. Simply click on the search box and type in Amazon. Once you type in Amazon, you can see the first application, which is called Amazon Shopping, is going to open up. And if you're on your Android, then you will see a green install button. Simply click on the install button to download the application. And if you're on your iOS or your iPhone, then you will see a cloud-like icon. Simply click on the cloud-like icon in order to download and verify the download to your iPhone device. So once you have made sure that you have actually downloaded and installed the application, let us move on to the sign up process. To do that, simply open the application and wait for the application to load. As you can see, you are shopping for Amazon.com/US items shipping to this country. Which language and currency do you want to shop in? You can simply select your country right over here. Once you select your region from where you want to shop, you can also choose the language. I'm simply going to leave it to English. After that, you can see the currency. By default, it is going to be on USD or the US dollar. You can change this currency to any as per your wish. So once you fill in all of the details and once you're satisfied with the country, language and currency, at the bottom you can see the option which is called done. Simply click on done once you are happy. Now here you can see they're asking us to sign into our account. We have been given three options, which is called the first option, it's called already a customer, sign in. This option is for those if you already have an account, then you simply want to click on sign in and enter your email address and your password and click on sign in. But in this video we are going to learn how to create an account, so we are going to simply click on the second option. But before that, if you also want to skip the sign up and the sign in process, at the bottom you can see the option which is called skip sign in. If you click on skip sign in, you will be able to browse all of the products without signing up to your account, but you will not be able to shop them. So for the purpose of this video, we are going to click on second option, which is called new to Amazon.com, and create an account. So once you click on create an account, you can see the first box which is called name. So we are going to simply fill in our details. First of all, what you want to do is enter your full name. Once you enter your full name, at the second option you have the option to enter either your email address or your mobile number. We are going to simply select email address. You can choose an option whichever is convenient for you. And at the bottom you can see the option which is called create a password. Make sure that you enter a very strong password at a minimum of 6 characters. Make sure that you also include all of the letter, lower cases, upper cases, and all of the mixed letters, just to make your password very secure. Now after you have filled in all of the details, you can see the option right over here in the yellow button which is called verify email. Since I entered my email address, it is asking me to verify my email. If you had entered a phone number, then it would have asked you to verify your phone number. So I'm going to simply click on verify email right over here. As you can see, the verification process has been started. Now it says that they have sent a one-time password or the OTP code to my email address. So simply I'm going to open my inbox right over here and then check for the OTP code. You should also do the same. As you can see at the top of the screen, we have been given a mail from the Amazon. Simply click on Amazon. You can see verify your new Amazon account. Now right over here you can see your OTP code. What you want to do is simply long press on it and it is going to select everything, and you just want to copy the code right over here and then go back to your sign in process, and then in the box simply paste the code which you received from Amazon. Once you do that, you can see the create your Amazon account button right over there in the yellow color. What you want to do is simply click on create your Amazon account. Once you click on create your Amazon account, it is going to take some time for the sign up process, and as you can see, we have successfully created our Amazon account, and this is how the Amazon applications interface looks like. Now if I go to the second option at the bottom, you can see that this is my profile, and so in this way we have successfully created an Amazon account. So this is how you can create an Amazon account or sign up for the Amazon on your mobile device. We hope this video was helpful to you. If it did help you, then do make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and also make sure that you turn on the bell notifications in order to get notified whenever we post a new content or video. As always, thank you very much for watching and see you in our next video.